And today, Lizzie and I are going to be showing you guys this beginner sewing machine that has 12 different stitches. That's right, this is a small, light, little compact unit that's going to give you a ton of options, perfect for the beginner like Lizzie. She's going to be making her own cosplay costumes from now on, and so she wanted something that she could use to make those stitches and sew those costumes. And fortunately for her, I grew up around a family that there was a lot of sewing in the house. So I started using sewing machines at a very young age. So I'm going to help her and show her how to use this, and at the same time show you guys all the features and how well this little machine works. Are you ready, Lizzie?
Yes.
She's super excited, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick the little machine right here. This is your reverse button. This is where you set your different stitches. Total of 12 different stitches all in all. You do have your tensioner right here for your string. This thing comes preloaded with thread. I'll show you where the thread is. It's in the back here. And it also comes with a preloaded bobbin as well. And you're also going to get black thread, white thread, and 2 other preloaded bobbins as well. And you're going to get the buttonhole foot. They do give you this little swatch here to show you that they've tested all the different stitches. Very cool. You're also going to get this little kit with all these different bobbins and all these different threads. Very nice that they've already got all this stuff done for you. It's going to save you a ton of time spooling bobbins. And this does have the little bobbin spooler on top, so once you run out of these and you have to refill your bobbin, you can do it right there. Now, other things that this kit's going to come with: you get a small pair of scissors, you get a seam ripper, you're going to get a needle threader, you're going to get a pack of 5 more needles, you get a thimble, and you get the little measuring tape as well. So a very complete kit. I'm going to spin the machine around and show you the back side. You can see that this is where your spool of thread goes. This is your little bobbin rewinder. It doesn't use very much power. It's just a little DC 6-volt input. And then you also have a separate pedal. And this is the pedal that sits underneath the machine to make it go. And then if you turn it to the side right here, you have your advanced knob for getting things started. And you have your off-on switch. And in the back here as well is how you drop your foot and raise your foot. So I think what we need to do now is we have a piece of cloth here. As a little project, we're just going to make a little bag real quick, just so I can show Lizzie how to do it. And let's see how this thing sews. Are you super excited, Lizzie?
Yes.
Alright, so we just have a little t-shirt square here. What we're going to do is we're going to make this like a little drawstring bag. And so we're going to actually run our drawstring through the hem of this t-shirt to act as a drawstring part. So what we need to do is we're going to actually just fold this in half, just like this. And we're just going to run a stitch down the side. I'm going to run the first stitch so Lizzie can see how it all works. And then I'll let her run the next one. What do you think, Lizzie? Is this pretty cool? You cut it off. And we ran our first stitch down the side, but it works.
Also, I think we're gonna just flip it inside out.
Right, that's how you do it. We're sewing it. You're spoiling it. You made a spoiler. We are sewing the inside up, and then we're going to flip it inside out. It's your turn. Let's see if you can do it. You want to keep this seam going down the side of this. All right, now push it down again.
Okay.
Go ahead, hold it. Go ahead. Back it up a little bit and create a little double. All right, that's good. Now raise your foot up. And there you go. You made your first stitch. What do you think?
Yay!
Was that very hard?
No, not so much.
You think you can do it on your own?
Probably.
All right, let's flip it out and see your little bag. Oh, what do you think?
So cool.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is, and we're going to do this off camera, but we're just going to cut a little V out of the hem here, and then we're going to run a string all the way through, and you can just cinch it up with the string. Very cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
The little machine works well. You can tell that the needle is not extremely fast. We did go as fast as it can go, and that's why it's great for beginners, because you don't have to worry about your little ones zipping their fingers up in it. I think Lizzie's going to have a lot of fun with this. She's going to be able to make some fabulous costumes and maybe even some clothing if she chooses to. It comes with everything you need. You get plenty of bobbins. As you can see, you have all these different colors. You have these other preloaded bobbins, thread. You have your buttonhole foot, so you can make buttonholes if you need to. 12 different stitches, and it's all ready to go. We literally pulled it out the box and turned it on and used it. How cool is that? So Lizzie, how excited are you?
Very excited.
Do you like this little machine?
Yes.
Awesome. Well, we hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.